Good morning, everyone. And we are learning our last lesson, which is 1.8 towards voyaging towards excellence. This is lesson is by Achyut Godbole. His Marathi novels and writings are very famous. And here we are learning his journey of life, how he become a good writer and what obstacle he had in his life. He was brilliant when he was there in school, as well as he gave his exam for IIT, and afterwards when he took admission for IIT, so that time he had to shift from Solapur to Mumbai. When he was there in Mumbai, lot of problems he had to face, but finally he got one group where he got the people who are very brilliant in different fields, and he learned lot of things from that group, from those people. He liked to learn different subject out of his syllabus, like literature, painting, arts, philosophy, anthropology, and so many things. He always used to believe that there is only one God, and that is nature, because it treats everyone equally, it gives everyone without asking, and he believed on humanity. He wished to serve to his country, and that's why he couldn't go out of India for job. He was MD. He served 23 years in software company, and he had his office in US, Australia, Japan. Always he used to go from one country to another country on his business tour. When he got time, so he liked to write books. So he wrote 4 books at that time, which was published afterwards in Chinese language for global understanding, for global distribution. Okay, now next to that we are going to see. Okay, so we are on page number 84 and second paragraph. I learned a lot of things when I was running this large company. The first one was the importance of teamwork. In today's world, nothing is impossible without teamwork. So always he used to believe on teamwork. We know that teamwork is very important, because every person has different talent, and if all these people they are going to come together, so there will be one team which will be perfect, which will be having lot of talents, and these talents that team can utilize to achieve its goal. That's why teamwork is very important in life. The first one was the importance of teamwork. In today's world, nothing is impossible without teamwork. You cannot be successful if you are a longer and an egoistic person. You should not be egoistic, means I am brilliant one and why should I take help of other? Okay, I am not going to help other, and I am not going to accept the help of others. So this egoism should not be there in that person. Whatever, however you are brilliant, but always teamwork, it works. If you work in team, so you get success, and always it help us in your life. Means if you have a good team, and suppose if one student is good in physics subject, suppose another is good in IT subject, so that time you can just build your team over there, and without any egoism you can ask your queries to one another, and you can solve your problems, you can solve your doubt. Okay, so you should not think yourself very brilliant. Actually, Achyut Godbole, he was a brilliant student, but then also he always used to believe that he is a normal person, and so many people are there in the world who are very brilliant in every field. You cannot be successful if you are a longer, means if you are alone, and if you are a egoistic person. Secondly, you need to lead from the front by setting a good example in front of your staff. Third was that you need to treat your subordinates and your colleagues as friends. So secondly, he believed that first you should set yourself as a good example for others. means when we donate, so we have to start donating from our house. Okay, so whatever work you want to do, first you try to do in a better way as your level, and then you can be a good example for another person. So those persons, they are going to look to you and they are going to follow your footpath. Third thing he learned, that is you have to treat everyone equally. Your colleague, you have to just treat them as your friends, means there should not be gap between the boss and the workers. Okay, so you have to work on an equal level. In my career, I made a few mistakes. Obviously, if the person is there, so he is going to make the mistake. Every person does mistake in his life. So he was not a god, so obviously he made mistake in his life, but he learned lot of things about motivation, being a good listener. This is a important quality. The people always, they like to speak and speak, they don't have that ability to listen the person who is front of them, right? So this ability is very important. You should be a good listener. You should have that patience to listen what another person wants to tell to you. Okay, so that ability you should have. Target setting and the art of delegation, which forms such an important part of today's management. So these qualities he learned when he made mistakes. So that time obviously we should also learn some things when we make mistake. Okay, so we make mistake means what, this is not the end of our life. Okay, so we should learn something from our mistake and we should not repeat that in our management. After working for all these software companies for so many years, I wanted to return to my first love. So that is to read and write on various subjects concerning human life and existence. Therefore, I gave up two offers of around 3 crore rupees per annum to become a writer. This is how my second innings as a writer in Marathi began. So this was the first part till here. Okay, so he was a successful software engineer. He was a MD. He spent his 23 years in IT, in software companies, but now he wanted to shift to his first love. And what was his first love? We know that always he used to love, he used to read literature when he was very young. So that time many authors used to come to his house, and always he used to listen to those great writers, authors, their stories, their experience. So his first love was to read and to write. So that's why he wanted to shift now to that. I gave up two offers of around 3 crore rupees as per annum to become a writer. This is how now his second inning, means second part of his life, it was started here when he started writing Marathi literature. Okay. Now we'll have look on his second inning. That is, after this I have written about 34 books in Marathi. Most of them have become bestsellers with 10 of thousands of copies sold for each. However, it is not the sales or the money that is important to me as much as the fact that these books have brought about very good changes in his life, in the lives of thousands of readers. After reading my autobiography, that is Musafir, and a book of psychology, Manat, hundreds have come out of depression, and more than a dozen have given up thoughts of committing suicide and decided to start all afresh. Okay, so here the second innings of the writer's life, it gets started. So near about 34 books he had written in Marathi language, and most of the books were the best sellers. Thousands of copies got printed and got sold in India. But getting money, earning money, it was not the aim of the writer. He wanted to do something for the society, for the people. And when the people, they read his books, especially his autobiography, which is called Musafir. So in his book he wrote about his life experiences, about his obstacle, and how he overcome his those obstacles. So when the people read this book, so that time they come out of depression. Some people, they thought for suicide, but when they read writer's book, that is Musafir, so that time they just change their mind, they come out of that depression and they started with their new life. One more his book is there, and that is psychological book Manat. Hundreds have come out of the depression, and more than dozen they started their life afresh. There are hundreds who tell me that they understood the theory of relativity or Big Bang after reading my book on science, Kimayagar. My book, Boardroom on Management, has created at least 20 successful entrepreneurs. Then there are hundreds who tell me that they are now understand Economic Times or NDTV. After reading my book on economics, Ardat, many have turned to mathematics after reading my book on mathematics, that is Ganiti. The same is true about my books on Indian music, Nadved, English literature, Zapurza, painting, canvas, Western films, Limelight, and the Western music. Symphony are books such as Genius series, Rakta or Vitamins, Anartha. It is this reactions of thousands of readers and the feelings that I am touching the hearts of thousands, if not lakhs of my readers, that keep me going. So again, one more time we get that writer, he has written books on different subjects. He has not concentrated on only one. So he wrote book about psychology, about his autobiography, then about painting, music, literature, science. So everywhere, in every field he worked, he wrote books, and so many people he created. Means from literature he created people, okay, then from the normal life, from the common life also, he just helped the people who were in depression. So those people, they come out of depression, they started with their new life. Then here, for the mathematician, for the lover of mathematicians, he wrote book Ganiti. For Indian music, he wrote book Naved. So, and here the writer, he felt very happy because now he was in his second inning where he used to love all this thing. So after working for software companies for many years, the writer, he wanted to return to his first love, and that was reading and writing. On various subjects, he concern about human life and existence. Therefore, he gave up 2 offers to become a writer. This is how his second inning start here, right? And after this, he wrote about 34 books in Marathi. Most of them became bestseller with the 10,000s of copies sold for each. These books brought about very good changes in individuals' life. Then 100 came out of depression, and more than a dozen gave up thoughts of committing suicide and decided to start up afresh. Thousands more have been helped in the fields of science, economics, music, mathematics by the writer's book. And because of all these things, the writer, he touched their hearts, and always he has kept him going. So his achievement was like that. Why I am telling you my story now here? He is asking question to you. When I look back, there are a number of lessons and values that I cherish and I keep learning about even today. Some of these are thirst for knowledge, curiosity, humility, humanity, rationality, equality, teamwork, quest for excellence, never say die, and thinking big. Okay, now here he is summing up his essay by asking you a question, that why I am telling you such things, okay, why I am sharing my life experience with you, because he is expecting that when you are going to learn this chapter, so that time these qualities, or you should have the quest for knowledge, you should believe on humanity, you should think for the curiosity, for the humility, for the rationality, you should get the importance of teamwork, whatever the qualities writer has, you should also develop that qualities. And really I'm telling you, once in your life read a book Musafir, which is going to help you a lot, because this is an autobiography of writer. So when he was young, that time he didn't have his basic needs also. So but he then also today he is a famous writer. He is a person who is very famous in software field also. So we can see his journey from that young boy to the successful person. Okay, so lot of things are there which we can learn, which we can develop from this person, and that's why this lesson is very important for you. Okay students, so here we have ended with our lesson. So today we learn about a greatest personality from literature, from IT field, that is Achyut Godbole. He was a person from a small city, that is from Solapur, and how his life got turned or changed when he entered into IIT premises. So after getting good marks in IIT examination, he could shift to another country for job, but he didn't do that because he wanted to do something for his society. So not only he was a software engineer or the person who worked in IT field for 23 years, but he was social worker also. He contributed himself for the social matter. He was a good writer. In his second inning, means in his second phase of life, he wrote book for the people on a different subject, and today he is a successful person. So we have ended with the lesson now. Try to solve the activity which are given below your lesson. Okay, if you don't get answers, so that time you can just drop me comment, or you can ask me when there will be live session, or you can send me mail also. Okay, thank you and have a nice day.